Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to edit in the style of Philip Halsman, but also how to use Snapseed. So, Snapseed is the app that we're going to use. I'm going to go off here now and go to my Snapseed app on my phone, which is here, which is the green leaf. It says tap anywhere to open the photo, or you can open from the top left. And then I'm going to choose a photo by going open from device. And here's one of the jumping images that I've taken. Okay, now at the moment there's a little distracting left-hand side sort of like pole. So I'm going to try and crop this image down. In order to crop the image, what I'm going to do is you go to tools at the bottom, and then there's a little selection tool for crop. Okay, and then you can drag in to remove any unwanted area. Okay, so that is cropped enough for me. I don't want to crop it too much. I will still want to see that I've jumped off the floor, so I'm in midair. But that is a good framing for that image. Okay, press tick. Next thing I'm going to do is Halsman's work is all in black and white. So that's what my first edit is going to be. So I'm going to go to tools, and then I'm going to scroll down to where it says black and white, and that is the final edit for that one. Okay, so I'm going to press the tick in the bottom right hand corner because I'm happy with that, and then to save it I go to export and save a copy. Now then, what I'd like you to do is to play around with using colour. Okay, so I'm going to go back. So at the top here there's sort of like a little backwards arrow on the top row, and you click that to undo. And then I'm going to go to tools, and I'm going to go to a tool called Retro Lux, and that will change the coloration. If you wanted to change it randomly, there's sort of like two arrows that cross over in an X, and I can click on them and it will randomly scroll through the different editing effects until you find something that you like. Once you find something, press a tick, export, save a copy. Okay, we can undo that now. I'm going to go back onto tools. I can try out lots of different things. So I might go to noir and see what the editing techniques look like on there. I quite like that one, sort of like with the little grey purple hue. Press the tick, export, save a copy. And these are all of my experiments. Okay, let's try something else. Let's go to vintage. Okay, we can try lots of different effects on vintage, which will add a little bit of colour to the image. I quite like that one. I'm going to press tick, export, save a copy. And then I'm going to go back to, I think, Retrolux and try out some different ones of those. See if there's anything that I really like. I quite like that one. So export, save a copy. And that is how you use Snapseed.